Hi, it's Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and as many of you may know, I used to publish this very cool calendar called Tools of the Trade. I did this for a few years, and it was a lot of fun to do this. Every month I featured some really nice photos of the trade and tools that I own and setups, and it did pretty well, but the problem is with a calendar like this, you have to sell to the masses to get a break on the printing. And when I say the masses, that means like a couple thousand, right? And to get a break on the printing, that means I have to pre-order like a couple thousand. And even if they're doing them for $5 a piece, you know, that's a lot of money. So anyways, I regret the fact that we don't do this anymore, but I still know there's a way for you guys to get this. So we're going to go to this. And this is called the Abacus calendar. And I buy this every year, and I pay $38 for this calendar because I fell in love with this on a trip to Maine years ago. And what they are, it's an artist that does these beautiful one-sheet calendars that each month you hang up. Now, they recommend that you buy an 11 by 14 frame to hang them in, and they look good. We hang this in our kitchen every month when they change. Well, I was looking at this. I started stewing on a bone here. I thought about what can I do for the Tool and Die guys? Give them a monthly calendar. And then I said, well, can I recreate that? Well, I did. It was very funny. A few weeks ago, I took a picture of my wife, and she said, you should make a calendar. And I made a calendar. Really fun picture, my wife, and made a calendar, 11 by 14. And probably more people would pay for this than a Tool and Die calendar. But in the end, what I came up with was this. And this is a really nice monthly calendar. What I'm going to do is make these available at the toolandieguy.com. Just go to the KT&D Fellowship, and this is free. You can download this every month, which is very cool. I made it 8 by 10, or I'm sorry, 8.5 by 11, so anybody with a printer can print this, okay? I'm assuming most of you guys are going to want to run to your print shop and get 11 by 14s done, right? Probably not. And this way you'll have something cool to celebrate the trade every single month. And I would suggest you print it on some decent photography paper. Regular printer paper doesn't look so good. So they come out really nice. In fact, this was on cardstock, and this is a little better on photo paper. You can see the exposure and the coloring is a little bit better. And you can just put this up next to your bench, next to your desk. Well, obviously, I have millions of pictures of the trade. I want yours. That's what I really want. And what I want is one line. And you can tell me, this is my toolbox, Joe Smith, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And this will go out to thousands of people literally around the globe. So if you've got a cool toolbox, if you've got a piece of work you just got done with, if you just built something really cool and can take a decent picture of it and send it to me, I'll go through them each month, and we're going to release this each month for free. There's a donation button underneath. If you want to throw in a few bucks or even $1 to download your copy, that'll be awesome. We appreciate the support here. But this is the new calendar, and it's yours. You can just print it off on your printer at your office, at your shop, at your house. And if you're like me, the queen, the wife, will really appreciate a nice manufacturing calendar in the kitchen. So that's it from here. You can just go to the KT&D Fellowship, check out this month's calendar, and this will be April's. This is my father's toolbox. But next month, I hope to have a bunch of different ones to choose from around the world. So if you've got a cool picture, I want to see it. And we're going to make it a calendar for May. So I hope to see those pictures. Email me, phil@thetoolanddieguy.com, and we'll have some fun with this. Thanks.